So this is from a guy called John. Go on, John. So he said, I've got approximately 70% of my money plonked in a Vanguard fund. I did my own research and I'm personally very bullish on the value proposition of Bitcoin. So I built about a 10% allocation earlier this year. Now the price has shot up at the time of recording this. Who knows where it is right now? It's occupying about 20% of my allocation in terms of fiat, the fiat value. So 20% of his portfolio. So my question is, if crypto is higher than 10% of your portfolio or whatever limit you set for it, should you sell?
I mean, well, I better go sell my crypto then. Yeah, I mean, I'm now about 75% crypto in my portfolio. It was down to about 60, but then the market was performing at time of recording, so it's up. I would suggest personally to anyone who hasn't worked in crypto or done a lot of research, take profit whenever you can, because it's very, very volatile. And I ended up holding some cryptos for 4 years because I didn't take profit in the last bull run. But regarding the portfolio allocation, I don't think I'm the man to ask, since I'm majority crypto in my portfolio. So I will let you lead with that. But
you were 100% at one
I was 100% before we started.
75 is like a calm down for you.
It is, yeah.
I mean, I'm terrible at this because, so I hold a bit of Bitcoin. I should probably establish my position on this. I've invested, say, like between 1 and 5%. 1% is like so hard to invest. The fees kill you. So I took, every couple of months I'll put maybe like 10% what I've invested in. But that shot up because I bought the majority of it at around £7,500 a coin or dollars. At the time of recording this, it's now pushing on $100,000.
98 or something.
Yeah. So I should sell and rebalance. So I should sell the Bitcoin and I should move it into global equities. The reason I don't is because it's not meaningful money to me, in the sense of the global equities are still the largest position. The amount of money that is in the Bitcoin isn't necessarily going to change my life. And I like that really high risk component to the portfolio. It's kind of like the spicy end. Do you know what I mean? It's not, if it goes to zero, it's not going to kill me. But I like John, think that as we debase currencies, it's likely that the price will go up or trundle up over time. So, I hear people all the time going, should I sell it? Should I not? Should I this? Should I that? And I'm like, is it meaningful money? Is it going to change your life? My mate messaged me the other day and he had 170 grand in XRP. And he was like, should I sell this? And I'm like, mate, I don't know. Is that going to change your life? He was like, yes. I was like, you should probably sell it then, mate. Do you know what I mean? Whereas if you've got like a few grand in there and you're like, meh, you're more going to kick yourself if it goes to a bajillion a coin than you will if it goes to zero. This is terrible discussion, and this is an example of how the logical brain says rebalance, but my emotional monkey brain is like, just hold on to it. And all I can say is that for me, the way I treat crypto is I put a tiny little bit in every month and invest into it, relatively speaking, in terms of how much I invest each month. And if it moonshots and goes to $1 billion a coin, I'm a very happy man. If it goes to zero, it's not really going to bother me. I would probably start looking at selling when my position in it was 6 figures plus, because it would then be something that would change my life. It's not going to at the minute, so I don't sell. If you're looking to kickstart a new financial habit this year, we've put together a 2-pager that shows you 80% of everything you need to know about your personal finances. It's completely free and you can get a link to it in the description. Read it, didn't you? Did fuck all.